What to do, YouTube? It's your boy Dakota, man. Listen, we back with another video. Hey, check me out. Oh yeah, go on like the video first. Nah, yeah, get that out the way. But hey, I know y'all seen the title, man. We finna go crazy. Listen, the plan gonna be, I'm gonna get his Glock, and then I'm gonna act like somebody stole it or something. And he gonna get mad. Y'all gonna see him turn up in this one. Hey, yeah, we finna turn up. I'm finna call him. Alright, let's call, bro.
Hello?
Hey, bro. I need you to do me a big favor.
What's good?
I need to hold your Glock.
Is it a serious situation? What's going on? You straight?
Yeah, I'm alright. But shoot.
Sure?
Yeah.
You
But
want me to come with you?
Nah. I don't need you to do none of that. But shoot, I was just trying to slide with it real quick, man.
Okay, you going on a little mission? You trying to buy something or something real quick?
Yeah. Just trying to make it home safe.
Well, shoot, where you at?
Sure, I can pull up on you.
Alright, give me about 20 minutes, and I'll call you right back, and then I'll tell you when to pull up.
I bet. Appreciate it.
Alright, no problem, man.
Yeah, I love you. We can turn over this bitch. Alright, I'm goofy. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Glock. He coming to the car. Man, what up with it?
Bro, what the hell you need my Glock for?
Man,
I'm gonna give it to you, but what you need it for real? What you finna do?
it's just a little exchange. Oh, you got one in the head?
Yeah, nah.
Nah, sure. Yeah.
Oh, you finna do a YouTube video with it?
Yeah, I'm doing YouTube video.
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my boy getting
And-
to the gun
and
content.
I know who you talking about,
Look,
I'm
you just posted yesterday too. Hood, I like the hustle you got going on in here. But nah, for real though,
yeah.
be careful with that motherfucker though. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Well, you be having Glocks, so you know what to do. But both be extra cautious, cause you know that's my only gun.
Yeah, I got you.
Now, I ain't like that. They got 1,000 guns laying around here, so you know I'm gonna be a little hurt if I lose that. But all right, man. I'm finna go eat. I'm hungry as hell. What you finna do?
I was finna smoke.
Oh, Hood, you trying to smoke when I get back?
Yeah, we can roll blunt up.
Alright.
Shoot.
Well, yeah. Oh wait, when you gonna give it back? Tonight or tomorrow?
Man, I ain't gonna use it for about an hour.
Oh shit! I ain't bet. Oh, you should have said that. I wouldn't even ask you all them goddamn questions, bro.
Yeah.
All right, man. I'm see you later.
Alright, then. Oh, I got that motherfucker. Alright, now, y'all, it's been a cool few little minutes, man. So, now I'm finna tell him that his Glock is gone. Alright, now, y'all. We gotta get in acting mode now, y'all. Come on, now. I'm gonna take one of these motherfuckers off. They beat my ass bad, cuz. Alright. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna pull up on them. Alright, now, y'all. Listen, y'all, he gonna pull it up on me. I don't tell me it's an emergency. He gotta pull up on me. Y'all know I'm at my crib, so he walking up right now. Alright, come on. Oh shit.
God damn, boy. They need to get rid of these big ass puddles on my mama. What's up?
Oh, bro.
Where my strap here?
That what the emergency was.
I know you fucking lying, dude.
Listen, I got robbed.
Look, they beat me up. Bro, you fucking lying.
Nigga, that Glock is gone. And they said they was gonna beat up Daddy. Daddy didn't want to do nothing. Daddy didn't want to do nothing.
Boy, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Where the fuck my Glock is? Where the fuck is it?
The Mexicans, they got it.
Alright. But listen, it's up to you to go get my shit back, or we have a problem, honestly. Cause listen, Bo, you said everything was straight.
Like, we still brothers?
Bo, listen, I don't give a fuck about that brother shit going on. Listen, my gun is missing. I don't give a fuck if we brothers or not. You gotta get my shit back. The fuck is wrong with you, nigga? Put your shirt on right, nigga. The fuck going on?
Man, they beat me up so bad,
You
man.
get these goddamn goofy ass glasses from, bro. They probably robbed you because these goofy ass glasses. Take them damn goofy ass glasses off, nigga. Fuck wrong with you?
Damn, nigga. Why you?
That's probably why they robbed your ass, nigga.
You better calm down, man.
These clown ass glasses, nigga. The fuck your hoodie go? You let them take your hoodie?
Man.
Bro, where the fuck is my Glock at? I know you know where these people stay or something. Listen, what the fuck you doing getting some weed from these niggas?
Man, I thought I could trust them.
Why you didn't tell me it was these people?
I couldn't tell you all that. So I was just supposed to get in and out with it.
So
man.
listen, my question is, what you gonna do for me? Like, what? Is you gonna give me some money or you gonna get my gun back?
Yeah, man. You trying to slide on them again? What's up?
No, nigga, you gotta go on them and get my shit back. I'm not going nowhere without my gun.
Okay.
You think I'm gonna come back with my shirt off too? My hoodie gone too?
Nah, man. I know you don't want to do that.
Go get my shit right now. What you smiling for? You think this shit funny?
I ain't smiling.
I spent $600 fucking dollars on that motherfucker. You seen me pay for it, right?
Yeah, I was right
$600.
there with you. Right there with you.
How much was it? $600.
Yeah, I remember.
I need $600 or I need my shit back. And it better be in mint condition the way I got it. It better be the same gun.
I got you. I'm gonna get you, man.
You let these niggas rob you at your clothes?
Yeah, man. They took my $200. That was in my wallet too, man. Took my wallet.
See, like, how the fuck you let a nigga take you out your clothes, bro?
They hit me upside the head with a bat, man.
You ain't even got shit wrong with your face.
They hit me in the back of my head.
Man, I need my shit back. Honestly. That's all I'm worried about, my gun.
I got you. I'm gonna get you your gun back, man. You just gotta relax right now.
No, I need that shit back today.
Oh, today?
Yes.
Oh.
You just had that motherfucker for 20 minutes. 30, 45, I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
How do you lose $600 in 40 minutes? How? How? Well, I'm gonna let you figure that shit out on your own. If I don't get that shit back, you got a problem with me. And I ain't playing.
You still gonna be brothers?
Nigga, fuck that shit, nigga. Give me my motherfucking Glock back, nigga.
Alright.
What wrong with these niggas, man?
You gonna shake my hand?
Nigga, fuck your hand, nigga. Give my motherfucking Glock back, nigga. Until you get my Glock back, you my brother, nigga. Until then, you a regular ass nigga. Matter of fact, nigga.
Alright, so y'all, at this point, this nigga was so fucking mad. Like, I couldn't even tell him it was a prank, bro. I don't even want to show y'all the rest of the video because the video looked bad. Like, I don't even know if YouTube gonna go for some shit like that. I should have told him it was a prank earlier, I guess, but you know, I like to thug it out. So yeah, I had it coming for me. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get y'all another video soon. Yeah, I'll get y'all another one soon. But I'm out, bruh.